Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use screen time to limit app usage. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to tag limit on your apps with the help of screen time, so let's see how can you do it. First, you have to open your phone settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for screen time. Here's that, tap on it. And here you can see screen time is not enabled. You just have to enable it. You have to tap on the first option, which is app and website activity. Just tap on it, and here select turn on apps and website activity. Tap on it, and here you can see apps and website activity has been turned on. Now you have to select app limits. Tap on it, and here tap on add limit, and here you just have to select the apps which you want to add a limit. As I'm going to select games, so just tap on it and then tap on next. If you want to select some apps, so you can select them by tapping on them, and after doing this, tap on next, and here you have to select time, and after that tap on add, and here you can see app limit has been enabled, and now I can use some apps for some time. As you can see, here's the time of 3 hours and 59 minutes every day. So it means I can use games only for 3 hours and 59 minutes every day. So that's how you can use screen time to limit app usage. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.